If you're waiting for hip surgery, there's a few simple things you can do to help prepare yourself. Keep watching and I'll tell you all about them. The pandemic has created huge waiting lists in the NHS, and thousands of people are going to have to wait months, if not years, for their surgery. What can you do to help get through this difficult time and to best prepare yourself for surgery? Keeping as fit and as healthy as possible will help to reduce the risk of complications after your operation, and it will certainly help to make your rehabilitation much more straightforward. First of all, think about your general health. If you're overweight, it's really important to try and lose a bit before surgery. Don't set yourself an impossible goal, as it will just make you feel unhappy. But every pound you lose will mean that surgery is a bit safer and you'll find it easier to get going again after your operation. If you're a smoker, please stop.
Bond. James Bond.
Smoking increases the risk of heart attacks, strokes and wound problems, so try your best to give up. The NHS website has lots of advice on this, so please have a look at the link below. Cutting back on booze is always a good idea. You'll sleep a lot better and you'll feel much more inclined to doing some exercise. Talking of exercise, try and do a bit every day, even if it's only for a few minutes. It will help to improve your cardiovascular fitness and make your recovery much easier. Don't forget your upper body exercises. You'll need to use crutches after surgery, so it's important to have some strength in your arms and shoulders. Have a look at the link to Versus Arthritis below, where you'll find some excellent resources. Think about what support you're going to need after your operation. You might want to recruit friends and family to help you when you get home. Do you want to have a bed downstairs whilst you recover? This would be the time to do it. Some of my patients choose to go into residential care for a week or two after surgery. If this is something you'd like to do, have a look at some of the local care homes and rehab centres. Finally, have a good look at the Joint School app. There's a link below. It's a fantastic online resource where you'll find loads of information and advice about managing your symptoms whilst you're waiting for surgery. It's also really good post-operatively as well. I hope that you found this helpful. Let me know if you'd like some more advice, and thanks for watching.